Welcome to Duluth, 2012 leap year. While the city of Duluth might be, as some say, shut down, we don't shut down for anything here at First Lutheran. Worship will be going on as scheduled for this Lenten season. The blizzard is supposed to end, yes, I said blizzard is supposed to end at 6 o'clock. So worship's at 5:30. And it's going to be very well attended. So we'll see you all here if you dare to venture out for worship on this day. And have a blessed leap year.
It's a blizzard. Ice cold, groovy. It's the warmest. It's the coolest. All icy with a cold and frosty taste that comes on cool.